Recently, I made a video on how you can download just any video from YouTube down to your phone gallery. And then, after making the video, posted it on YouTube, I got a lot of positive reviews from my viewers in the comment section. And for you to know that watching this video worth your time, let's go and see what people are talking about in the comment section. Let's quickly go to my YouTube. So the only free way to download YouTube videos to gallery without watermark. Then let's look at the comments. You can see we have 28 comments here. You see what the first person said here? Works brilliant. Then I convert the video to MP3 for my iPod. Thanks. Another one is thanks a lot. It works. Another one is God bless you. I can now download cartoon for my children. Another one says I couldn't get the copy link from on my YouTube menu. Probably this person did not watch the video and he has to rewatch the video very well. Probably he skipped many parts of the video, and that is the reason why you shouldn't skip any parts in this video that I'm talking about, because you are going to miss a lot, just like this person now. So another one is thank you for this knowledge, it works. Another person said powerful guide, thank you, it works. Another one says wow, this works like a miracle, thank you, God bless you. Please don't forget to give your life to Jesus Christ, although I'm a child of God. Another person said thanks. Another one says nice one. This person said I keep getting URL not supported. Precisely that is his phone. So another person, please, my YouTube is not working and I'm using the one on Chrome. So it is this particular person has issue with his phone. So the reason why I'm showing this is for you to be rest assured that the guidelines I'm going to provide in this video is going to help you on how you can download any video. Yes, just any video from Facebook down to your phone gallery without watermark. And if this video help you, do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Turn on the notification, which is very important, so that my next videos, my other videos, you will not miss. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to open my my Facebook app right now. So we'll be looking for any video. So this is a video. Tap on it.
If you dropped a toaster into the ocean, it would send a shock.
So here, the next thing we are going to do here is to tap on these three dots here, or you tap on share. So I tapped on share and this is the result I got. Don't panic, this is exactly where we are going. Just tap on copy link. I've tapped on it, copy to clipboard. Now let's go to our Google Play Store. If you are an Android user, kindly go to your Google Play Store, and if you are an iOS user, go to your Apple App Store and do the following. This is my Play Store. So tap on search. So tap on black hole. Search for black hole rather. Black hole. Please ensure that you don't skip this video. So black hole, you can see it has been installed already on my smartphone. So I have to go to, I can update it, but it's not necessary now. So I'm going to locate it on my phone. Black hole. I knew some of you might want to skip now, but if you skip, you are just going to get confused, just like the other person. So what we're going to do here is tap.
For those who frequently use an OPI account,
so this is that we need to skip it. So I'm skipping the ads. You can see this video has been downloaded already. So now, to download your video, all you have to do is to tap on this circle. Tap on this circle. You know you've copied your link. Just tap on this circle. Then hold on. You can see download completed. You know the video that we pick on Facebook, right? This is the video. You can see it here. So let's go to our phone. Let's go. You can see this is the video.
If you dropped a toaster
This is the video
into the
as you
ocean,
can see.
it would send
Now
a
let's
shockwave
go
through the
to our
waters.
phone gallery. Let's head over to the gallery. You can see this is the video and it works.
Strong enough to kill a fish. But what if you wanted to electrify the entire ocean? Well,
can you see? It works just exactly the way it should work. The quality does not even reduce, neither do we have anything that seems like watermark on it. Likewise, in my next video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download any video. Well, to subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification and anticipate my next video. Bye bye.